I am Millie. Welcome or welcome back to Live It Up with Mills. I do videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you are new here and if you like my content, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about how we can get more out of our closets. So I know we are all at home mostly, and we are all tempted to go through those online sites and buy some new clothes. I am as guilty as you are. But before you jump on to do that, I would suggest just take a look, another closer look at your own wardrobe and see whether you can make it work harder. So towards that end, I wanted to discuss with you some unusual color combinations. So these are color combinations which we don't usually try, but which I feel works. You let me know whether you agree with my choice of color combinations and whether you feel they work too. Now when we say color combinations, there are some age-old color combinations which work and which are considered to be the traditional color combinations and which we generally go by. It's like white and black, then you have a darker shade with a lighter shade, or you have pink and blue, you have say a red and white, so these kind of color combinations. But today we will look beyond these color combinations and we will try to identify whether these unusual color combinations work. As I explain each of these color combinations and I share with you my experience of trying to combine these colors, I'll also share with you what inspired me to try these colors so that you may look for similar inspirations when you're trying to make your wardrobe work harder for you. So that said, let's start on with the list. The first one in this is an off-white and white combination. Now, off-white and white, these are not colors which we generally think will make either of the colors stand out, and hence we generally don't pair these together. But I had seen this one Pinterest picture and I was very inspired and I thought I'll try it out. I wasn't sure whether it will work or not, and I didn't have the exact pieces to try out that exact look, but I just wanted to try out the color combination. So I picked up my good old white jeans, and with that I used an off-white top which was a H&M Basics which I had got somewhere last year, and I tried the two together and lo behold, it actually looked good. And I'm quite impressed and I'm waiting to try it out outside. But you tell me what you feel about this combination. I quite like it. So unlike what we would feel that both of them are not allowing the other to kind of strike out, but the two create a kind of harmony and balance, which is very calming and which is it blends into each other. It kind of creates a perfect balance. So that was the first one. Now moving on to the second one. This is one which has been inspired from a painting, and this is Ruster Orange paired with purple, or what I have paired it here with is a darker mauve. So again, a very unusual color combination and not one which we would generally try out. And it might seem to you that it's not one for the faint-hearted, but trust me, it's nothing like that, because if you see, I have chosen a much more muted shade of the purple, and the rust is also kind of worn out old rust color, and the colors look actually very cohesive and good together, and they are not really clashing against each other, not kind of shouting for attention, but somehow creating a very nice balance. So I quite like this combination too. Try it out and let me know what you feel about it. You don't have to have these exact pieces. You can just try the color combination out and see whether it works for you or not. When pairing such completely different colors from different color families, try to keep in mind it's better if you use solids than if you use prints. You can do these with prints too. If you have elements of, maybe if you use a floral skirt and if you have elements of orange or rust in that skirt, and you could pair that also with a purple top. But I just kept it simpler so that it would be easier to pair the two. Moving on to the third one, and this I have been inspired by the taxi. Yes, I know some of you would shy away from trying this out, but it's the yellow and black combination. A very bright yellow paired with black, and I feel that it has come out really, really well. Somehow the two juxtaposed against each other look very striking and very good. And of course it does wonders to our brown complexion too. So if you like this, you may want to try it out too. Now moving on to the fourth combination. This is a combination of sage green and purple. And how did I chance upon this? I chanced upon this when I was viewing some room decor ideas on Pinterest. So I keep searching Pinterest for room decor ideas, and there is this one room decor idea, and there was a pic which showed a sage green or a mint green kind of ceiling, and that was paired with two chairs which had purple or lavender kind of upholstery, and I really liked that. And I just saved it, and then later on I was just looking at my wardrobe and I thought, let me try it out in one of my outfits and see how this color combination looks. So I actually had a sage green top. This is actually a Zara top, which I paired with a very old pair of purple trousers. I think these are Vera Moda trousers. They're kind of loose on me now, but I still made it work. And I think it looks quite nice. It's very different. It's not something which we would think of on our own, I agree. But I think they look very nice together. And it is kind of an autumny kind of a color, or you could say a spring. There is a kind of coolness in the combination, which is not very summery, but yet I kind of love it. Now moving on to the final color combination, and this one is inspired by none other than nature, Mother Nature herself. This is the blue skies juxtaposed against the green trees. So I wanted to try out a blue and green combination. And I had these khaki green trousers, which I haven't worn in a long time. And I had this very light blue sleeveless top. So I paired the two together, and they look very nice. They actually look nice, and of course they would, given that this is a combination that Mother Nature herself has given to us, and she can never go wrong. So these were my inspirations, and these were my unusual color combinations. If you have done some of these before, or if you have done some other color combinations which I am not aware of, please do leave those in the comment section below, and I would love to read those comments. If you like this video, or if you would like to see more of these kind of videos which help you understand how you can make more use of your existing wardrobe and have fun with it, then do let me know. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.